Let's check Java string class coding. For writing the coding, I have taken an Eclipse IDE. In the Eclipse IDE, go to the Package Explorer. In the Package Explorer, I selected a package Java Code 2. In that one, I am creating a new class. For that one, press Ctrl N, and it is asking the selective visual. In that one, I am selecting the class. Now give the class name. Class name is a string test. Let's finish. Now we have to write the code. For writing this coding, we have to import the package. Now I am importing the package is java.lang later. I am going to writing the main method. To write the main method, there is a shortcut in Eclipse IDE. Use main and control space, and it will insert the main method. Later, I am creating a string object. The string object is I am creating with the string str equals to new string. In that, I am giving a sample string is welcome to Oracle. Later, I will print the original string. To print that one, I am using shortcut sysout. In the sysout, I am giving original string is plus str. Later, I want to find out the string length. Finding the string length, I am using int len equals to str dot length. Then the length method will returns the length of the given string. Later, print the length, that is length of the string is plus len. Later, I want to find out the char yet method. For doing that one, the char yet method will return the character. So char ch equals to str dot char yet of index 0. Now try to print that, that is char at 0 is plus ch. Next one, we are using index of method. Index of method will returns the index of the given character. For doing that, I am using int I equals to str dot index of e. Then I am trying to printing its location, that is index of e is, that means first occurrences, plus I. Later I am using index of method with another example, that is index of e from 3. That means it start the searching from the index 3. So use str dot index of e comma 3. Later I am using the last index of method, last index of e is plus str dot last index of e. Later come to the substring method. Substring method, substring is plus str dot substring of begin index, that is I am given 3. Next one, sysout substring of substring is, that is from index to to index. Here you have to give it the two parameters, that is str dot substring of begin index is 3, later I am giving end index. End index is 10. Then it starts the returns the substring from 3 to 10. Next one, sys out, I am using replace method, that is replace string. Now in the above string I am replacing each and every e. So str dot replace old character is e and new character is x. With that, each and every e is replaced with x. Later I am using concat method. The concat method will return a new string. So use string nstr equals to str dot concat of variable, and I am giving corporation. That means previous string is concatenated with this above string. Now use print the concatenated string, that is concatenated string is plus nstr. Later come to the two uppercase and two lowercase method. For that I am using string ustr equals to str dot to uppercase. Now print that one. That is uppercase. For that plus ustr. Later convert that uppercase string into lowercase. That is lowercase is plus ustr dot to lowercase. Later come to the trim. So using trim method I am using tstr equals to some string with the spaces in leading and trailing, that is Java, and it is having both side spaces. To remove that I am using the method trim method, that is trimmed string is plus tstr. Now I have given the most of the methods. Let's go and check this output. Here it is processing that one. Now we may get the output in the console window. Yes, this is the index of e is 1 and index of e from 3 is 6 and last index of e is 16 and substring is come to variable and another substring is come to, and this one is we are using replaced characters. Later concatenated string is welcome to the variable corporation and uppercase welcome to the variable and lowercase this is variable. Next one is we have a trimmed string. In this one we have to use call the trim method like dot trim. Now again check the output. In the trimmed method it is removing the leading and trailing white spaces. I hope you enjoyed the coding. Thank you for watching this video.